Hello, my name is Safa and I hold a master's degree in electrical engineering specializing in control system. In this series, we will learn MATLAB step by step, focusing on practical application especially relevant to electrical engineering. In this first video, I will introduce you to the MATLAB environment and get your running some basic commands to get started. Let's dive into MATLAB. Okay, first of all, command window. This is the main area where you can type commands and get immediate results. Think of it as a powerful calculator. For example, type 2 plus 3, enter. As you can see, the results appear right below each command. It's quick and straightforward. Another example. Okay, result. You know. Okay. Workspace. You can see here. The workspace shows all variables you have created during your session. For instance, if we write equal 5, enter, the variable a with its value will appear here. You can see. Okay. You can view and you can save and clear variables from this panel. Easy breezy. Okay. Next, current folder. This panel shows the folder where MATLAB is currently working. It's important to set this path correctly. I recommend creating a dedicated folder for your project, like a MATLAB project. I have another one, you can see. Okay. And editor, important one. Okay, this window is used to write longer scripts or programs. We will explore it in detail in upcoming lesson. Now let's type a few simple commands to get familiar with variables and calculations. Okay. A equal 5, B equal 3, for example. As you can see, output are displayed immediately in command window and all variables appear in the workspace. Okay. For example, you can see here and here. Another one. Okay. This trial and error process is very convenient. Okay. As mentioned earlier, the working directly is shown in the current folder plan. Before starting a new project, it's a good practice to create a new folder and set it as your working directory in MATLAB. This way, your files stay organized and easy to manage. I have that, you know. Okay. In this video, we got acquainted with the MATLAB interface, run basic commands, and set up our project folder. In the next video, we will dive into programming basic, defining variables, vectors, and matrices. The core concept for working with MATLAB. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time.